Welcome again to another Div-idy tutorial. Today we're going to walk through what prompt-based editing looks like for the web, and how to even build a web page based off prompt-based, based off prompting and editing through that way. So let's go ahead and start a new project. Figured let's just do something fun. I love Glacier National Park, so let's make a review page for it. For example. I'll kind of talk about what I like, some of the highlights, and you can be very granular in details. I'm going to add an image, and we'll go ahead and generate. I do have this sped up just for the sake of loading, so it is a little bit slower in real life, but as you can see, it's building the web page behind the loading screen. And there it is. So just based off the prompt, it's built this web page. All I kind of gave it was some of the content, so there's still a lot of things that I'll probably want to edit because some of this is just, AI creating it, and we don't necessarily always want that. Sometimes it's nice as a template, but we wouldn't want that as the main content. So it's sort of exploring, add little modals in here. I actually sort of like the clear modal. I didn't ask it to do that, but I do sort of appreciate that. The toggle theme, not so big of a fan on that. Kind of a big title. Oh, and I could copy the link. Okay, so that's sort of helpful. Yeah, that is a pretty big, long title. It's got one of the long dashes. I think what I'll probably say is for the headline, have it just be something simpler. Like have it just say, oh, yeah, just like a great park overall or something. Just to show as an example. So instead of clicking on it, changing text like you typically would, you could just type a prompt, and the edit, that was in real time. It doesn't take very long, and it makes that change. So that's really helpful. Let's see what else. I mean, it can also be basic things, like I see the 5-star rating there. Let's just say instead of 4 out of 7 or 4.7 out of 5, let's just say make it 5 out of 5. So generate that. Again, I'll make the edit, and this loading is in real time. So again, the edits are very quick, which is helpful. So change 5 to 5, but notice the stars did not update. So let's tell it to do that. Adjust the stars. Here, I'll misspell something just to see if it'll catch it. So I told it to adjust the stars, and even though I misspelled stars, it still did it. So that looked good. Honestly, not a big fan of this section right here. I'll just be clear and copy that header. Let's just say remove. Man, I have a tough time typing that. Let's just say remove the want to revisit the best parks fast section. Let's just get rid of that. So again, just another way, drag and drop was kind of the thing, and I think it's still probably applicable today, but this is kind of a new way to do it. So hopefully we'll catch you in the next one.